Hello friends, so let's continue Shaolin 13 close. The tiger, the workout of tiger. The tiger is powerful, violent, aggressive. So when we perform the movements of tiger, we do not necessarily need to be quickly, but with some power. So the first two movements we can do it continuously without any interruption. 1, 2. And the third one, fourth one, the fifth one as well, continuously without any interruption. So now I will make a stop between the first and the second movements, then I continuously perform it. Let's compare. 1, 2, and then if I perform it continuously, it is like this. 1, 2. Okay. Look at me. 1, 2, and the third, the fourth, fifth. Okay. Third, the fifth. So with some power, violently. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe to my channel.